Hello everybody. Albanidis Konstantinos here, and I would like to show you in a very short video. Let me clean this up here. I'm gonna have a clean page, or I can even show it to you like that. Okay. Let's say that we have two pages and we want to move one section to another with using the Elementor page builder. Okay, I'm gonna show you two ways. One way is copy paste, very easy and fast way to do that, and the other way it's gonna be to save as a template the section and then use it anywhere you want. Okay. First of all, we have to have some content. Okay. Here I just imported a ready-made template. You know that you can just do it from this part. You can add just a template, any template you want. I just added a template, so that's not the main focus of this video. So you just add the template. And you get some sections. Sections is this part of the page. You see that you have one section here, and everything included inside the section. It's the elements. Okay, here we can have an element with text. We can have an element with video, and it goes on. Okay, let's say now that we have another page to this project that we create. We create a web page or an application, and we want to move one section to the other page. Okay, so we just use this button to add a section, and here we can just, let's say that we want this section, or maybe this section with the reviews of people to be to another page too. We just do a right click on the six dots over here. We select copy, and then we move to the other page and we just do paste. Okay, and we're gonna have just what we want. We just have our section ready here. Another way to do that, that's the very easy part. Okay, but if that's not gonna work for you, you just you are able to do just right click on this section, save it as a template. I can name it let's say general reviews template. Okay, you can name it anything you want, and you can use it anywhere you want inside your project. Okay, let's say now that I want to use this this template. I just add a section. I come here to the edit container, and sorry, I just have to select add template, okay, because we have already added the template, and we have here the general review template. Okay, it's the one that I saved before. I just click insert, and I'm gonna just have the section over here ready to use. Okay, you can have any kind of section. It can be a complicated one, a huge one. You just save it once. It's being saved to the database, and on that way you have it ready using the Elementor always to reuse it and just add it to your project. Thank you very much for watching this video. I don't want to keep it long. I hope it was really helpful. I'll see you to next video. Bye bye.